Hi, I'm Alexander. This is Ladies Code, The Rain. And there's rain. That makes sense. Sitting inside with his umbrella. Archie? She. Oh. Oh, her umbrella's made of flowers. This is very sultry. Kind of like jazzy almost. It's just the same stuff. Very like fashionable outfits. Very like high fashion. The lighting keeps changing. It'll be like dark, then it'll be light, then it'll be in between. Even while they're dancing, that's cool. Oh, like the outfits change between shots. Oh, the fisher. Did she dump out the fish? No. Okay. Oh. Okay, now we're outside. It's not raining anymore. She looks like she's looking for something. Coming back to like these, it's like that main stage of the chandelier right here, and then bathtub shots, the rain. Kind of like a bittersweet feel. I don't know. I'm kind of sad. She's on the plastic tarp. Keeps smashing things. Things keep smashing. Oh, the lights keep going on and off. Not the fish. Don't kill the fish. Oh, she looks so sad. Okay, what's she looking at? They look like they're thinking so hard about something. Looking off into the distance. These visuals of things like dropping, the rain and the lights and the fish. Keep having like yellow flowers. I feel like the yellow flowers mean something because they're on the umbrella and they're on the clothes. Raindrops. Oh, so it's like all the different things are raindrops, like the way they fall. It's kind of cool. We'll keep going outside with this girl. Like maybe she like escaped the sadness, escaped the rain. I don't know. It's weird because they have these like bright colors contrasted with all this like dark, sad, like grays and. Huh.
So what do you think of the video?
It was interesting. I couldn't tell if I was like missing something, like maybe some kind of story, or if they were just like making like this really involved like metaphor with like the rain and the sadness and all the different things dropping. But it definitely like kept me watching because it had all these like intriguing, contrasting visuals. It was really interesting.